back on the goddamn AM radio. We bought our radios to talk on it. That's why I won the competition on that end. It was them kind of big and...
in a long time. Tell them I said hello. I don't know if I keyed or not.
Yeah, you're right about that. If you want to hear yourself what you sound like, that's what them video gates are for. Hey, FireBall, that's what the video gate is for instead of playing it back. But a lot of them kids niggas claim they don't know what they sound like, so they like to hit themselves when you play it back. Hey, FireBall, boy, you got some audio on my radio there, break.
Yeah, you're right. It's all, yeah, and another thing too is I don't play my stuff live. I ain't even video gaming right now, but I don't play my stuff live, Roller Coaster. I don't play my shit live so they can hear what they sound like live. Even though my YouTube channel is FireBall Live, man, I'm gonna record it and then post it. I ain't gonna sit there and say this is how you sound right at the exact time. I go over there to the 14.
Right doing that FireBall, no doubt about it. Well, I got my Watergate rolling for you, kid, nigga. Hey, FireBall, I got a YouTube page too, kid, nigga. It's called Roller Coaster 409. Hey, FireBall, my YouTube page is called Roller Coaster 409. Hey, FireBall, I started a Watergate for you there, break.
Man, that 212 got my moan. I heard you underneath him, man, but 212 got it going on out here in California. Hawaii.
Hey, Roller Coaster, we gotta get on the Watergate. Hey, Roller Coaster, get on the shot and get on the Watergate. Hey, what?
Yeah, but this is on your fine style. You sound real good over here, and a lot of bugs you can do what you do.
One after you over there talking like competition. FireBall is getting down around the West Coast.
Hey, FireBall, I was just cruising on the low side of that duck plug-in driver, man. I just hit another duck plug-in switch, so I hope I can get back in your damn radio. Then again, I might have too much out there. Hey, FireBall, then again, I might have too much out there. Mother, you got a slow roll with Mother Nature. I'm easing ahead in Mother Nature. FireBall, break.
That's all you need, man. I don't even know if he called me. I heard him say, hey, I keyed right back to you there, Roller Coaster, while I got this video game rolling. Hey, Roller Coaster. You said I'm going to put a little more out there. That's all you need in my duck-plug radio right now. Worldwide Roller Coaster in Georgia. FireBall says you got that mile down on Memorial Day. I'm gone.
Yeah, I just want to come out here and get my duck plug-in fix on, man. Hey, FireBall, that's all I want to do, man. I just want to come out here and get my duck plug-in fix on, and you came back in my duck plug-in radio while you out there dropping that hammer down on Bad Kojak. I don't know what happened to Bad Kojak, FireBall, that break.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here, man. I know they're making it.
What you waiting on, FireBall? I guess you got to put a little bit more out there, that break.
Singers that popped in there like Jack in the Box, taught us some of the mud ducks. Hey, Roller Coaster. No, man, I was just waiting on that duck plugging in. And no, I don't know what happened to Bad Kojak. Bad Kojak probably still trying to call you. He's probably like Roller Coaster, Bad Kojak. He's one of those cowboys and chickens that can't cross the road. He can't look both ways, break.
I don't know if he out there calling me not care, nigga. I should have called it a duck plug-in name. The only competition you got out there is Motormouth Mall, but he ain't talking to me. But every now and again he'll make it rough and tough for you, FireBall, there, break.
He won't call you. See, when you in my place, he will not call you.
It would have been a blast from here, I'll tell you. But no, I didn't go either. Hey,
Load him out of all cruise on this thing. One fat left at a time, make that result. When he starts calling you, if he calls you a kind of big name roller coaster, oh my God. And then you call FireBall, dude, you'll have steam coming out of here. His voice will change their break all day.
Hey, FireBall, if I was on the west side too, Kid, nigga, I'd tie my duck plug and shoelace and I'll haul ass too. Hey, FireBall, if I was on the west side and I heard somebody calling your duck plug and name, I'm gonna tie my shoelaces, I'm gonna haul ass too there, break.
So they got down. Big old eagle sure sounds good in my barn over here today. You checking it real loud in Watergate from Base Statue Grabs. You checking it real loud over here, good break. Who's FireBall talking to anyway? Let me tell how badass I was. I got his ass with 3 keys, and then I went 10-7. Man, that is not the way to do it. FireBall. Hello, Mr. Deerslayer. Mr. Deerslayer, deputy dog, I'll rest with you. Hey, yellow jacket, I think you might be talking to that coat jacket. I think I heard you roll up in here real good, the yellow jacket. Hey, I think you might be talking to bad coat jack, but I did want to roll up in there and say hello to you.
Damn Motormouth Mall making it rough and tough. I heard old deputy dog out there talking about some eagle sounding good, but hey, FireBall, watch them cab nigga, man. That plugging Motormouth Mall is in my duck plugging radio. Your condition might be trying to change in Georgia, but nonetheless, happy Memorial Day again, and I'm gonna stand down, put it back in the rack. Hello, Mr. Deputy Dog, roller coaster in Georgia, getting down.
All right, there, roller. Hello, to you, Mr. Hey, roller coaster. When you get tired of talking to who you're talking to, look around the west side.
Who let the dog out? You say when I get tired of talking around the west side, kid. I mean, I ain't tired yet. I'm still getting my fix on. Hey, dog, west side, rollers, right back, break.
Yellow jacket.
I heard the last thing I heard when you said I got that thing down the west side. Don't say that too loud because you know there's a whole lot of big boys in Georgia, Cap, nigga. But nonetheless, I appreciate them flowers. I'm going to stand down, put it back in the rack. Hello, dog, west side. Roller coaster with the Memorial Day wave, dog. I'm getting down. I'm gonna get out your way. That damn Motormouth Mall still in my duck plug it is, man. Them conditions must be changing, man. But hey dog, I'm glad you was able to make the duck plug of Watergate. Hey dog, you know you made the roller coaster Watergate show. Take care, dog. West Side roller coaster. Bye bye bye.
Business down here on the west side. Hey, cut man, get on up north and do your talking instead of talking down south. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. Right back, Sam. Memorial Day late.
The big man. Doggone. I hear the west side, I hear the big horn. What in the world is going on with Mother Nature? The big man down south. Roll is gone. You got up, I got right back down. I was talking the west west side, Kevin Big, and then I heard you coming up in Georgia too. Doggone. Hey, the big man, happy Memorial Day, right back. Hey, big man, the big man, Big D, Roller's gone, bye-bye.
Thank you. Now, roller, you got... You blowing up on my ear. Hey, roller coaster, get up my ear. I'm trying to wave at my friend there, boy.
I'm sorry, dog. I'm gonna get out your ears. I heard 75. I heard the Big Man show too, Kevin Big. Hey, dog. The West Side is in my radio and the Big Horn too. Hello, 75. Big Horn roller coaster. Right back. Break.
All right.
I left 75. I left Dog Slobber. He said, hello, how to duty, 75. And I still heard the big man. Watch out for the big man. Hey, 75, watch out for the big man down south. 75, I'm getting down.
But you had that ball down that time. He snatched you back, what?
I think they're plugging Big Man, so don't worry about him or something like that. But y'all running neck and neck in my duck plugging radio. You and 75 running neck and neck in my radio. Big Man down south. Bye-bye.
Well, been there a little bit too.
Dog, 410, big man. He's big man. Time to tell 75 to get back on that barbecue. Get back on that duck plugging barbecue grill. Hey, dog, you ain't got no business coming to my duck plugging radio. I'm talking to the big horn, dog. I'm getting down. I left them all, 75. When you do it like that, I left them all. Hey, 75. I left them all slobbering in the microphone. 75. Bye, bye, bye.
For the beast?
Hey, big man, you said that was a surge key. He surge key. Hey, big man, it's all right, Kevin. Hey, big man, I like the surge too there, break. Hey, 75, you say you get up in there when you get ready. Hey, 75, you say you get up in there when you get ready. I think that there plug is reading his radio. Hey, big man down south, you think he reading his radio there, break?
All kinds of Mother Nature break.
I heard you, big man, but I couldn't pull it out. Hey, big man, I couldn't make out what you were saying, but I heard you, Kevin. This is rough in my radio, big man, break.
36 on you. Right back.
That's why they call you the big man. That's why they call you the big man. That's why they call you the big man. Hey, 75. Hey, 75, I heard you when he got up. 75, I'm getting down.
It's all you. You got all the data. Big man say bye, bye, bye.
Wait a minute now, my friend ain't no mud duck here, nigga. 75 ain't no duck plugging mud duck plugger. Talking about you don't have all day to play with a mud duck, big man. I heard you, bye bye. Boy, it was rough in the beginning. It was rough in the beginning. All I heard was bye bye bye, big man. It was rough in the beginning. But all I heard was bye, bye, bye. Big man down south. I gotta go. Bye, bye. Came back anyway. Big man down south. I came back anyway. But I gotta go. Happy Memorial Day to you and 75. Y'all showed up and did your thing in my radio. Hey, big man down south. It's all on the water gate. Catch y'all later. I gotta go. The sweet thing just walking in from the sugar mine, and I'm going upstairs to give my baby a kiss. Bye, bye, bye.
Roller coaster kid, ain't nothing like that quality time. Roller coaster kid with the Watergate 75. Say bye bye.
Hey, 75. Appreciate the end of the show. Hey, 75. I'm gonna stop it right there. Hey, 75. I appreciate you ending my Watergate. Bye, bye, bye.
Where to go, and it's yours.
Click, click. Quality time, quality time, quality time. Click, click.
All the big boys out there, all the wannabe big boys. All again. And that's what you hear right there. You go again.